You see how this lip scrub looks? Very demure, very cutesy. So let me show you how to make it. The very first ingredient you're going to be needing to make the lip scrub, of course, is our sugar. This is the exfoliant. This is what is going to help us get rid of dead skin cells. I'm using white sugar, but you can also use brown sugar. It does the same work. Right now, I'm going to set this aside. And the next ingredient you're going to be needing is some shea butter. You can also use mango butter, cocoa butter, any other butter is fine. But I'm making use of shea butter since it's more accessible and it's less expensive. Next, I'm going to be needing a carrier oil. I'm using argan oil. You can use any other oil that you like. You can use coconut oil and the likes. I'm going to add my oil into the shea butter. Now, the next ingredient is what will give our lip scrub that pink color. I'll be using my pink lipstick. I'm going to be using this to give our lip scrub that pink and beautiful tint. You can also use a red lipstick. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the pink lipstick and adding it into our shea butter and oil. Now I'm just going to mix this up. To dissolve our lipstick and the shea butter, I'm going to be using the double boiling method. So I'm just going to drop it in a pot of boiling water and just keep stirring until everything is well dissolved. Now, as you can see, the heat from the water is going to help us to dissolve the shea butter and the lipstick. Now, this is what it looks like after some minutes of stirring. As you can see, our lipstick has dissolved and the shea butter as well. Now we're just going to take this off the heat, and the next thing I'm going to do is to add this into our white sugar. Right now I'm just going to add a few spoons into the white sugar, and then after doing that, I'm going to now give it a good mix to make sure that everything is well combined. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll be adding the full list of the ingredients and the measurements at the end of this video. So I'll just keep on stirring and stirring until we have a really well combined lip scrub. Now, after giving this a good mix, I'm going to add one last ingredient, and that's our flavoring. I'm using a pineapple flavor, and it's a food flavor. I'm going to use this to give our lip scrub a nice scent. Now I'm going to give this a very good mix to make sure that everything is well combined. And as you can see, our lip scrub is looking beautiful. Just use this to exfoliate your lips, and your lips will look so plump and beautiful. Now, as promised, this is the full recipe with the measurements. You can take a screenshot and save for use. If you learned a thing or two from this video, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.